Controversial social commentator VeryDarkMan has warned the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) against releasing a mugshot taken during his recent arrest. The social critic, who spent nearly 5 days in the EFCC custody, made his stance clear in a video shared shortly after regaining access to his social media accounts. In the video, VeryDarkMan alleged that the EFCC took a photograph of him during detention, but he warned that trouble would ensue if the image is made public with money laundering attached to it. "I'm not a fraudster, and if you put money laundering, it means everyone you once arrested with the same mugshot means it's a lie," he said.
Alright, so first of all, before the story starts, make I don't go straight to the point with this one about EFCC, right? So, my phone is with the EFCC. As a matter of fact, I got another phone when I came out, you understand, because I have a feeling that they will not give me my phone again, right? I got another phone. I was trying to log into my own iCloud. I can't access my iCloud again. You understand? I can't access my iCloud again. You understand? But that's by the way. What I want to say, EFCC, when I don't say we want to start a friendship. You understand? I said I should put this here before I give the story because you people know I must talk and I don't miss out on any detail, right? Now we won't do friend. Wait till go spoil the friend. Now I just want to talk. If you people took a picture of me, right? You people took a picture of me, right? Where wahala go day? That picture I wanna take of me, wanna release them. Make I consider money laundry on top. That's what will cause the problem between us. As one do friendship now, where we say, okay, yes, problem there, somebody scam person, I tell you now, catch the person. Let's just go like this. You understand? Because if you not release my picture for on a page, I can't go see money laundry as una put. First of all, you people will prove money laundry to the whole Nigerians. It might actually be the first case where we go do in the open. All details will be put online. When I put tax evasion, no problem. But you see that money laundry, if you people put it online, two things. You will prove it, not just proving it. It only means, because I don't launder money, I'm not a fraudster. If you not put them, it only goes to show, say, the people where be saying they put all those alleged this thing on top and all those charges on they put for their head. It means saying a lie. Do you understand? So this is just a way to say if you want to do friendship, you guys clean the money laundry. I see them. You know, I told you people that day. I said I'm gonna talk about it. If you people put it, there's gonna be a problem. You people will prove it. And if you don't prove it, no problem. Now the government. But then again, anybody you post and write any charges on them, I'm going to say it's a lie because it is a lie against me. Do you understand? So you got to put out that money laundry. Do you understand? Then whatever one want to put.
In the same video, VeryDarkMan also aimed at Guaranteed Trust Bank, GT Bank, alleging that the bank had a role in his arrest. He threatened to expose what he claims is video evidence linking the bank to his detention once he regained access to his confiscated phone.
And as a GT Bank, I'm coming. I will explain to them what you people did. Do you understand? And it's crazy up to now. We are going to have a problem. Obviously, we are definitely going to have a problem. We are definitely going to have a problem. I will explain in full details what you people did that day. I saw different images when I put online, different videos. I'm like, what the fuck are these people doing? Did these people think I'm going to die there, like I'm not going to come out? The only one thing where go save una. I have the evidence. Don't be say, the only thing where I save una now. Now say, maybe EFCC can't delete the video. The video is there. The video is there how everything happened. I have it. It's there on my phone. It's the only people that can save you now, like maybe the EFCC delete it. But if EFCC deletes it, it's also a problem for them. Do you understand?
We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.